Hello everyone, welcome to the latest video on my channel, Digger Evans Model Railway. The last video we looked at this little building here and the details, pipework, fire escape and the lights and things. And these lights have caused a bit of a stir. Quite a few people have inquired about them. I have a couple of emails and some nice comments in the chat, and I'd like to thank everyone who did take the time to comment and ask questions, which is what I try and encourage. I'm going to put a link up for these lights at the end of this, underneath the video, sorry. You can buy them in 3 volt and 12 volt, as I've said. You do need a resistor on there, and I've used these with 2 AAA batteries, 1.5 volts each. Put them together, and these are Duracell, but others are available. That's just purely and simply to test the lights to see if they're alright. We do need resistors with them, whether you buy the 12 volt or the 3 volt, but when these go onto the layout, these will be plugged into a bus wire from a 3 volt transformer that already runs the street lights and things. So yeah, there's a couple of comments asking me where I got them from. Dwight Curley says, the light blinded me, I still see spots. Thanks for that, Dwight. I'm sorry they blinded you, mate, but I'll sort something out so that doesn't happen again. Kevin SF Raton in New Zealand says, great update. Thank you very much, Kevin. The lights look great. And like that, so I'm going to put a link where to find them. I did get one or two emails as well, and one I got, and it says this: Dear Digger, I was watching your channel, watching this about the lights and the detailed building. Part way through the building, I realised that you suck, your video sucks, your entire channel sucks, and every video you've ever done sucks. That was from Anonymous in Philly. I don't know who that could possibly be, because they just put Anonymous after it. Anyway, that said, we'll show you a quick look at these lights and how to use the transformer, how to use a resistor with them. So I've just fitted a resistor onto the end of that, just to make it look just for now, just for this particular test, and we'll put it on if we can. That's with the resistor on, so it's a lot less bright. And there's another method you can dull it down with. You can put brown parcel tape over the actual filament. They don't get hot or anything like that, so it's quite safe. And that's just using a 10 ohm resistor like that. Obviously I will solder them all in so they're in line with one another, and you use that for all your lights and we shouldn't have a problem with it. So what I'm going to do next is just show you a couple of things I got in the sale. These are tiny TV, closed circuit TV cameras. I got those in a sale on the internet. I can't remember who off, but these are Barkman mini TV cameras. I got a couple of packs of those and some miniature satellite dishes as well. Those were in the sale. Barkman as well. And that's about it. A couple of products I can show you. These are 3D printed motor car engines on, I've put them on a pallet that's a 3D printed pallet, and again these are from Scale Model Scenery, these little engines, and you can buy them looking new in a grey resin, sorry about this, or you can buy them looking old and rusty and what have you. So these are looking new. They can be outside a factory, they've gone for a rebore or whatever, or in a mechanic's place it's an engine that's going to be fitted or what have you. So there's a lot of uses for them, and I'll put a link for those if I can find it on Scale Model Scenery. They're easy enough to obtain, and that's the rusty one. I believe I showed you these before. That's the rusty one, and I've just highlighted a few areas, the oil filter and things like that, and that'll just go on the ground in the scrapyard. That's all it is really, a basic quick video just to show you that, and just to let you know how many people have been kind enough to comment and send me some lovely emails. Thank you all very much. I'll say bye bye for now, and I'll speak to you all soon. Bye bye, my friends.